Hello, today you're hanging out with Chaya, the gorgeous one. Looking for a fun trip but don't want to go far? No need to go anywhere because this is Thailand. Wanna swim in water as clear as this glass? Go to Phuket. But don't get confused, it's not drinking water. Not cold enough this winter. Let's go to Chiang Mai. It's so chilly, y'all hug yourself tight. But if the fog is too thick, watch out, you might bump into someone. Feeling hungry? Ratchetberry is waiting. At Tam Non Satyuak. Food is everywhere. But be careful, a fish might steal your bread axe. Wanna make some merek? Head to Nakhon Phanom. What for that Phanom is sacred. But don't pray to lose weight while holding a coconut pancake. See, Thailand has it all. Beaches, food, temples. Pack your bags and let's have some fun. Don't forget like, subscribe, and subscribe. Bye bye, see you in the next.
Hello 蛇仔蛇仔，今天和美麗的 Chaya 一起玩耍哦。想找個好玩的地方，但又不想走太遠，不用去別的地方，因為這裡就是泰國。想再像這杯水一樣清澈的海裡游泳嗎？那就去普吉島吧，但別搞錯了哦，這可不是飲用水。笑這個冬天還不夠冷嗎？那就去清邁吧，冷得你不得不抱緊自己。但是如果霧太濃，小心別撞到旁邊的人哦。假裝撞到人，肚子餓了嗎？叻屁股在等你，在丹亂沙多水上市場，美食應有盡有，但要注意哦，你坐船吃東西時，小魚可能會偷你的麵包。驚訝表情，想積點功德嗎？那就去那空拍龍，拍那空佛塔超級靈驗，但要小心，別一邊拿着椰子煎餅一邊許願減肥哦。笑看到沒？泰國什麼都有，海灘、美食寺廟。收拾行李，快來一起玩吧！別忘了點讚、訂閱，還有特南斯斯克來報。拜拜蛇仔蛇仔，下個視頻見哦！